Let's talk about health insurance and let's talk about the myths related to health insurance. While we all understand the importance of health insurance, not everyone has it, and even if they do, they don't have a sufficient cover. So what are the myths related to this product? First, smokers think that they will not get a health insurance coverage. Well, this is a clear myth because there are smokers and non-smokers policy that health insurance companies offer. Yes, the premium for a smoker could be slightly high from a non-smoker policy, and this could be 10 to 15% higher from a basic cover. A lot of time people think that just because they are covered by the employer, they really do not need a separate health insurance policy. You have to understand over here that you might be changing jobs. If you do that, you might lose on the employer health coverage that you are covered with right now. And also a lot of time, because it's a group policy, you are covered with your spouse, with your parents. It's always good to have your personal health insurance policy just in case your employer health coverage is not sufficient. And even the coverage amount matters. What if your employer coverage amount is not as much as you really think you need to be covered with? So in any case, having a personal health insurance coverage is very important. Young people think that they don't need a health insurance plan because they are fit right now. While it's very important and it's good to think that you are fit, but then we can see that there are health issues and health emergencies even in the younger age group these days. So why not just get yourself covered with any unforeseen health emergency which could lead to any financial crisis in your life? People think health insurance is expensive. If you buy it at the right age, you will have to pay a lower premium. But also, instead of looking at it in a way that it's an expensive thing to buy, why not look at it in such a way that's an investment? Because we all know health inflation and medical inflation is just zooming up. It's getting difficult day by day to afford quality healthcare or medical help, which is why it's very important that you invest in a right kind of health insurance. And I'm saying investment because it covers you from all kind of medical emergencies. So just take that thing out of your mind that health insurance is expensive as a product and one doesn't need to buy it. And a lot of time people think that they can just invest in a proper way and they might not need a health insurance cover. Well, you might have your investments in place and you might be earning a lot of money out of this investment, but then having a medical insurance policy or having a medical insurance coverage also helps you not to touch your investments, which might be for another financial crisis. So one just needs to plan it better, and these are the myths basically related or connected to health insurance, which one must understand and buy a comprehensive health insurance policy for themselves and their family.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.